The pathway of food. The food enters the buccal cavity and is ground and mashed by the teeth and the jaw. Also, carbohydrates in the food are broken down by the enzyme amylase. It then mixes with saliva in the mouth and travels down the esophagus. The saliva makes it just travel easier. The second part is the esophagus. The food is pushed down the esophagus by a mixture of gravity and peristalsis, which are a series of wave-like muscle contractions that force the food down the esophagus. The stomach is the next part. In the stomach, the carbs are then broken down and sent to where they are needed or stored. The stomach then mixes the food up into chyme and then releases hydrochloric acid to dissolve any pieces of food that are left. Then the enzyme pepsinogen is released and it starts to break down the proteins. The chyme then makes its way to the small intestines, which consist of the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The pancreas releases some more digestive juices, and then they react with the food further to break it down. The fats begin to be broken down by lipase, another enzyme. The liver and gallbladder excrete bile to break down the fats further. The bile is an alkaline, which also neutralizes the acids from the stomach, so it doesn't hurt your body. Absorption starts to occur in the small intestines through the walls, and any waste from this process is pushed on to the next part, which is the large intestines. In the large intestines, any excess water is removed and any toxins are removed. The waste is then passed through to the rectum, which is the next part. Any vitamins and minerals that are left in the food are taken out and absorbed into the bloodstream, which is the same as when they're absorbed in the small intestines. The final stage of the digestive system is the rectum, where the leftover chyme and waste is pushed out of the large intestines down into the rectum, where we excrete it out of the body. This is more commonly known as going to the toilet. Any dangerous toxins are excreted through our urine so it cannot harm our body.